Imagine a place where the laws of physics collapse, where time slows, space bends, and the very fabric of reality falls apart. Today, we're going on a journey to explore one of the biggest, most mind-bending mysteries in the entire universe. What really happens if you go inside a black hole? Stay with me because what we're about to uncover is far stranger, more terrifying, and more inspiring than anything science fiction has ever dreamed up. Let's begin our journey. You're in a spacecraft floating through the silent, cold expanse of space. Ahead of you, you see it, a perfect circle of absolute darkness, swallowing the light of the stars behind it. This is a black hole. It's not a cosmic vacuum cleaner, aggressively sucking things in. Instead, it is a region of space-time where gravity has become so overwhelmingly powerful that nothing can escape its grasp. From this far away, you don't feel a thing. There's no pull, no shaking, no ominous warning sign. It's just a silent, dark sphere hanging in the cosmos. But as you decide to move closer, something truly strange begins to happen. Time itself starts to warp. For you, inside your ship, everything feels completely normal. The seconds on your watch tick by just as they always have. But for anyone watching you from a safe distance, say your friends back on a mothership, your journey starts to look bizarre. They would see your ship begin to slow down, almost as if you're moving through thick cosmic molasses. As you get closer and closer to the edge of the black hole, your image would appear to freeze in place, your movements becoming infinitely slow, and then you would start to fade, growing redder and dimmer until you vanish from view entirely. This isn't science fiction. It's a real phenomenon called gravitational time dilation, and the closer you get, the more extreme it becomes. Now you've arrived at the edge. This is the event horizon, the point of no return. It's not a physical wall or a visible line. It's an invisible boundary, like the edge of a colossal waterfall where the current becomes too powerful to fight. The moment you cross this threshold, your fate is sealed. You might not feel anything dramatic. No sudden jolt, no bright flash of light, no cosmic alarm bell. It could be a completely smooth, uneventful transition, but once you're past it, you are officially, irreversibly trapped, no matter how powerful your ship's engines are. No matter what you do, you can never go back. Not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can break free from here. Once you're inside the event horizon, the familiar rules of physics begin to unravel in the most baffling way imaginable. Inside this bizarre region, your options are gone. You cannot stop falling, you cannot turn around, you cannot send a signal back to let anyone know you're okay. But here's where it gets even weirder. Space and time effectively switch roles. On Earth, we can move freely in any direction in space, forward, backward, left, or right, but we are always forced to move forward in time. Inside a black hole, the opposite becomes true. The path to the center, the singularity, becomes the future. Every possible direction you could move only takes you deeper inside, just as you are. Always pulled into tomorrow, you are now irresistibly pulled toward the black hole's core. You are quite literally falling into your own future, and now you start to feel it. The immense gravitational force of the black hole is no longer uniform. The pull on the parts of your body closer to the center is becoming significantly stronger than the pull on the parts farther away. Let's say you're falling feet first. The gravity pulling on your feet is now astronomically stronger than the gravity pulling on your head. At first, it's a gentle stretch, but that feeling quickly intensifies, becoming a violent, irresistible pull. Your body begins to elongate, your cells are stretched apart, your atoms are pulled into long, thin strings, your entire being is drawn out into a stream of particles, like a noodle of spaghetti. This terrifyingly real process has a name coined by scientists: spaghettification. In a smaller stellar mass black hole, this brutal stretching would happen before you even reach the event horizon. But if you were lucky enough to fall into a supermassive black hole, one millions of times the mass of our sun, you might actually survive this process for a while, journeying deeper inside before being torn apart. Assuming you've survived the fall so far, what do you see? As you plummet deeper, the universe as you know it becomes a distorted, unrecognizable nightmare. The laws of physics as we understand them simply cease to apply here. Space itself is bent into impossible shapes. Light from the outside universe is twisted into a chaotic swirl around you. It's theorized that due to the extreme time dilation, you might witness the entire future of the universe flash before your eyes. Billions and billions of years of cosmic history, stars being born, galaxies colliding, the universe growing cold and dark, all playing out in a matter of seconds from your perspective. It would be the most spectacular and terrifying light show imaginable, a final glimpse of everything that ever was and ever will be. Finally, you reach your destination, the singularity. At the very heart of the black hole lies a point of supposedly infinite density and infinite gravity. This is where all the matter that has ever fallen into the black hole, stars, planets, and you, is crushed into an infinitely small, infinitely dense point. All known laws of physics break down here. Our science, our math, our understanding of reality, it all stops. What happens to you at this final moment? Honestly, no one knows for sure. It is the greatest unknown in all of physics. Scientists have a few mind-bending theories. Maybe you are crushed into that single point, your matter becoming one with the singularity. Perhaps you stretch infinitely but never quite reach the center. Some speculative theories even suggest you might pass through the singularity and emerge into another universe, a white hole. Or perhaps the simplest and most chilling answer is the correct one. You and all information about you simply cease to exist. It is truly the final, ultimate mystery. So, what happens if you go inside a black hole? It's not a quick explosion or an instant death. It's a journey through the absolute extremes of reality. A fall through warped time and twisted space, ending with your body being stretched into atoms, all before reaching a final, unknowable destination where physics itself ends, the singularity. This isn't just a story. It's a glimpse into the profound and humbling mysteries that our universe holds. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cosmic adventures. And let me know in the comments which mystery of the universe you want us to explore next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.